Hi there, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another walking workout. Let's start with little side steps. Touch, step, touch. Okay, before we really get started, have a quick check around the floor, check there's nothing you're going to stand on, trip over or bash into. Throughout the workout, you remember it's your body, your workout. You need to check that you're going to make it to the end of the class by pacing yourself if you need to. So you can keep the steps quite small, or you can make them bigger. I'm going to stay somewhere in the middle, and if you don't like the arm movements I'm doing, you're going to leave them out. I'm going to move across slightly towards the right side of your mat. Let's march it through. Actually, no, let's make it the centre of your mat. Change my mind there. Take it to the other side. So step and touch. March it through. Comb the hair. Just taking the arm over the head. If that doesn't work for you, just do what feels right. You might just circle the shoulders back, really getting a nice bit of movement through the shoulders. Well done, keep breathing. Side step, step and touch. You can have side arms. Well done. March, comb the hair. Just keep a little circle maybe, if that feels better for you. Side step to the other side. March and go. 4, 3, 2, this side. March and curve or circle. Other side. 4, 3, you're doing fine. March it through. And side step for 4, 3, 2, and march for 4, 3. Well done. And side step, other side. Don't worry if you're going to the wrong side, really doesn't matter. Just keep moving, keep those feet moving. Anytime you feel you need it, grab a glass of water, a sip of water, but try and keep those feet moving. Last time to the side. Just kick it through, well done. Keep those feet moving through the gap. Let's start with a little side step to the side, little side arms. So this routine has the grapevine in it. If it totally confuses you, don't worry. Just go with a double step, watch what we're doing, and then when you join me in another video, you can have another go at doing the grapevine. Lifting the arms out to the side, just relax shoulders. Let's take it to 2 steps with a push with the arm. And the other side, well done. Going to change the arms to a swim with the arms. So swim and pull, step together, step and touch, step together, step and tap, step together, step and tap. For the grapevine, we cross behind in the middle. So if you know how to do it, keep going. I'm going to turn around in a moment and show those of you that don't know. If you can't do it, please stick with the double step, just add the arms. So it's step, cross behind, step and tap, step, cross behind, step and tap, step. If you tap in front, cross in front, your balance goes, so it's much better to stand back. So we're going to add a little more definite tap on the end. Or knee lift if you want to. Again, your choice. Do what feels right with the arms. If you don't like my arms, I'm stuck with them, I have no choice. Go back to the double side steps. Maybe keep it a bit smaller if you need to. Catch your breath. If you don't need to catch your breath, keep it bigger. Maybe a little hop in the middle. If you want to just add a little bit of impact, but you can keep it low. If it's to catch your breath, so it might be tiny. Or it might be big. Nearly fell off the end of the mat then. Let's go back to the grapevine. And tap. I'm going to keep the leg low this time and I'm going to change the arms. Arm, up, down. So that's quite difficult. Side, up, side, down. So you might want to just go with a double step. Keep it small, work on the arms. But if you can do the grapevine as well, you're going to challenge your brain and your body. Depends how good you are at the grapevine. If that really is too much, you could maybe just try the arms with the feet, or just join me this way anyway. Quite hard on the arms. Shake them out. Just doing a jogger's walk with me. Move across to the left side of your mat. We're going to go back to that double step or grapevine. Cross, step. Nice and slow, catch your breath. Taking your arms above your head really works the heart quite hard, particularly if you're unfit. Go up to speed. If you want. If you'd rather stay half time or do double steps, that's your choice. Well done. You're doing great. You really are. If you're still here with me, pace yourself. Get to the end of the workout. I'm quite warm already, and it's a cold day here in England. Let's take it to heel lifts. Let's try side and in front, out, up, out, and in front. Couple more, make it go through the gap. Well done. Let's take it to a side step. I want you to move slowly over towards the left of your mat. So just make those steps a little bit big one side, smaller the other. 2 steps. Well done. So make that as small or as big as you need. So I'm medium sort of size, but if you want to really make it big, you can add a little bit of a hop in the middle. If you want to make it smaller, keep it here. Hold it here. Let's tap the feet out to the side. Touching the toe out, just standing on one leg. 4, 3, 2, and change. Cross a little bit. So bending the supporting leg if you want to. We can just keep it small. And change. For 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. twos. Last time, and we're going to go back to that double side step. Touch out for two. Take it back. Well done. So putting the two moves together. Well done. So you want to work the back of the arms, lift the elbows up. If you don't, just let them swing and relax. So you can just let them swing across and stay here. Keep it smaller if you need to. And a little hop if you want to make it a bit harder. Really up to you. I like to keep it low impact. Last one. Side to side. I'm going to change the arms here. Forward, back. So I'm going forward, touch the shoulders. Reaching right forward, touching the shoulders. If you need to make that smaller, that's fine. If you want to add a hop, you can. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 steps. Touch out. Back. 2 steps. 2 touches. Whoa. 2 steps. 2 touch outs. Hold it here, touching out side to side. Touching forward, back, forward, back. Well done. Last. Let the arms down if you need to. Last couple, and double side step. If you need to make it small enough, you're feeling a bit out of breath, that's fine. But if you don't need to, really put something into it now. Well done. Singles. So bringing the feet in together. Ankles should be comfortable, so if your ankles are beginning to hurt, really do make it smaller. Your ankles will get stronger the more you do this. And always, always, you can wear trainers if you prefer. Double step. And back. Well done. So catch the beat, right, left. We're calling the body down now, so keep the movements a little bit smaller. Catch your breath. I'm going to turn so you can see, stay facing me, 2 forward, 2 back, but keep it small now. Let the arms swing heavily, shoulders relaxed. On the spot. Take it wider. Not very wide. 2 in, 2 out. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Well done. Let your shoulders relax even. Hold it here. Circle the shoulders. Just as high as is comfortable for you. March 2 forward, 2 back. Forward, forward, back, back. Well done. Think about your breathing. That nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. As always, your body, your workout. Two out, two in, keep it fairly small. 2 slightly different arms. We're going to march on the spot in a moment. Last 4, 3, well done, 2, hold it here, march, forward, back, 2, 3, forward, forward. So when you're pulling back, watch you're not sticking your chest out, only coming from the shoulders. So squeeze your shoulder blades together. Singles, so forward and open, forward and open, forward and open. Last 4 counts, 3, 2, well done. 2 forward, 2 back. So 2 forward, 2 back. Stay facing me if you want. Or if you want to make it more interesting, you can angle it to the corner. I'll leave that up to you. Well done. I'm moving around the room a little bit. Really leave that up to you. If you want to have a little wander off around your room, pick up a glass of water, have a sip, that's fine too. Come back to facing me when you're ready. We're going to take it 2 out, 2 in. Hold it here. Bicep curls. Well done. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back. Both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lying forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Great, you've made it to the end of the workout. It's been lovely to be working out with you today. See you next time. Bye for now.